your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
All right, I will admit, Caleb, that I do love my summer weather that we've been talking about all summer long, but this weekend's sweater weather was definitely growing on me.
Yes, it was. This is that confusing time where you wake up, you put a sweater on, you go outside, and then later on you hate it because it gets warmer. That's
exactly.
kind of what we're going to be dealing with the next several days as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our sky cam outside the studio right now. We're mostly clear out there, feeling fall-like. Our temperature is 56 degrees. Our temperatures earlier on got into the upper 60s. Definitely a fall-like day for us, and it's going to start to warm up next week. We'll see our temperatures get into the 70s for the official start of fall. Take a look at our almanac. We did get to 68 degrees for our high temperature today, slightly below our average of 71. Our low got into the 30s. It was a quite chilly start to the day today, about 10 degrees below average of 49 degrees. Now temperatures elsewhere, generally speaking, all of us are in the upper 40s, low 50s, except for Lansing, 56. Mason's at 49, Jackson 52, Marshall 50, Howell 49, and then Coldwater is at 51 degrees also. Now taking a look at our Doppler radar, there's kind of a lot going on in this. Starting off with this chilly area of Canadian high pressure that was with us over the weekend is now slipping off to the east. In doing so, it is paving the way for this advancing warmer air mass. You can see the jet stream is lifting up into Canada. In doing so, it's going to allow a warmer air mass from the south to lift here into Michigan. It's going to stay with us then through the next work week. We do have this system out to the northwest. That's going to kind of ride along that jet stream, so for the most part, it's not really going to affect us at all. We'll just touch off some clouds as it moves through. Let's take a look at the tropics, because it's been a historical tropical Atlantic season for us. We've had tons of storms, about 24 named storms. Now we're into the Greek alphabet. Last time that happened was 2005, and that was the only time it's happened. This is the second time since our records begin. So we got Tropical Storm Beta getting ready to make landfall along the Texas coastline tomorrow. Now it is going to move extremely slowly, just dumping flooding rainfall along the Texas coastline as it moves over Houston and eventually lifts through Louisiana. And it's going to just dump a lot of flooding rains. It's going to stall out again over Texas. It's going to stay there for until Wednesday. So we'll just see that the shoreline continue to get battered by storm surge. Lots of rain. So certainly an impactful system as it does eventually lift northeast as a post-tropical system. Really won't have any effects on us here in mid-Michigan, though. Let's go ahead and time out the forecast for us in mid-Michigan. As we move through the overnight hours, mostly clear skies, calm winds. It is going to be a chilly night for us once again tomorrow morning, starting off in the low 40s. As Nicole said, sweater weather for sure. As we move through the day, then we do warm up a little bit warmer. We'll get into the low 70s, 71 in Lansing. Lots of sunshine once again Monday night into Tuesday morning, clear skies. For the most part, as that system does work by to the north, we will see some of these clouds increase, so our lows a little bit warmer, mid to upper 40s, starting things off on Tuesday. Tuesday kind of features a mix of sun and clouds. You can see our wind vector is becoming southwest. That's going to start to push in a warmer air mass. So we'll get into the low to mid 70s. The warmest day then will come on a Wednesday. Now, if you remember last week, we had that real hazy sunshine, that milky hue to the sky. That Canadian area of high pressure we had this weekend suppressed all that smoke to the south, but now we are going to see that come this way. As that high pressure moves off to the east, it is unfortunately going to pave the way for the smoke associated with the wildfires out west to enter back into our sky. So expect a hazy sunshine for the next several days as well. Our temperature trend, it's been cool since Thursday, and we're going to start to finally warm up. 71 tomorrow, 76 Tuesday, 78 Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a quite warm day for us. Thursday and Friday dipping down into the low to mid 70s, and we heat back up on Saturday, getting back towards that 80 degree mark, and then 73 for Sunday. The forecast tonight, 43 degrees, mostly clear skies, chilly with a southeast wind. And then for tomorrow, that hazy sunshine, temperatures getting into the low 70s. So for Tuesday, the first day of fall, when you think of fall, when you think of fall, you think of changing leaves, the foliage, the colors changing out there, getting towards our peak foliage in the Upper Peninsula. We're going to be at peak next week, believe it or not. That's eventually going to move southward. So if you're looking to, go peep on some changing leaves, some beautiful colors, head to the Upper Peninsula this next week. Eventually, it is going to work its way down to us here in mid-Michigan by the middle of October. The next 7 days, partly sunny Wednesday, slight chance for a shower on Thursday, and much better chance for rain and thunderstorms is going to come next Sunday. And again, temperatures in the 70s for the next 7 days.
All right. Well,